Getting a haircut can be therapeutic in itself, but a new Illinois law could have hairdressers taking on more of a therapist role.
The law will have anyone pursuing a license in cosmetology to take an educational domestic violence course, a class supported not only by hairstylists, but by domestic violence counselors. Starting in January, people in Illinois seeking to get their cosmetology license will be required to take an hour-long course in domestic violence education. The class will include instruction on how to identify unexplained tender spots on the scalp and bruising along the hairline.
Well, I think it's a great idea. We do see a lot of clients here. Sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes they do divulge information to us, or sometimes we suspect things.
DYER says when the conversations get personal, she likes to help or comfort her clients.
I feel like hairstylists are kind of like your cheaper therapists. They tell you a lot of information.
The stylists here are provided with tools to help change the way their guests look, but they say Illinois' new law will provide them with tools to help change the way their guests feel. Sexual assault counselor Donna Hudson says it's common for victims of domestic violence to form close relationships with their stylists.
Somebody that works doing personal care stuff with you, you know, that's a bond that you have with that person. Oftentimes you form a bond with that professional, and you talk about your family life.
She also says it's important for stylists to recognize the subtle red flags from their clients.
Oftentimes red flags would be things that have to do with control and manipulation. So when there is that going on in a relationship, that can be a sign that physical abuse might happen in the future, or maybe that it's already going on.
The new law will go into effect January 1st of 2017. It also states people who've undergone the training will not be civilly or criminally liable for acting on good faith or failing to act on the information they receive from their clients in regards to domestic abuse.